Satyam Sharma, and I am basically from Himachal Pradesh. I have done my graduation almost completed in tour and travel management. At the moment, I'm working as a travel consultant, simultaneously teaching sort of hobby for me. So I found that platform and I have been teaching here. It's been almost, I
Oh, that's
believe,
great.
somewhere around 2 months I have been teaching on this platform.
Wonderful to hear about you.
Cool. May I know about you?
Now it's my turn, is it?
Indeed. Obviously, we are only two people here.
Okay. So my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi, and I'm speaking to you from the city of Kanpur. And when it comes to my education, I have pursued my bachelor's degree, that is BCom Honors Accounting from Banaras Hindu University. Now I'm pursuing my master's, that is Masters of Arts in English Literature. Apart from this, I do run a YouTube channel which is based on spoken English conversations, and I'm also helping others to speak better English. I'm conducting sessions for my students. That's what I do. Thank you.
Okay, so you are tutor as well, are you?
You can say somewhat.
Somewhat. What do you say? Okay.
Yeah, means I'm a learner. At the same point of time, I'm a trainer too. I am trying to learn as much as I can, because what I feel, there is always need of improvement, and always we should polish ourselves. So that's why I would like
Mhm.
to take sessions with the professionals. Along with that, I'm helping others to speak better English.
Indeed, getting the experience with all aspects, like with all angles, it it sometimes becomes really significant for us to like see right now we have been learning, right? But how does it feel when we teach? So that time we go through with the more deeper, what the requirements exactly we need to deliver to the needy ones. So that's how
Yes,
it
exactly.
it
And being a
works.
teacher and trainer also, we must be a student whole life, because if you are choosing this academics or this education to go forward, you must be learning your whole life. As you said that if you when you become a teacher, you'll have to go deep down into things and you'll have to train others. So like you'll have to find out more ways how you can make understand others. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
very important.
exactly. Anyhow, connected with the psychological aspect, just to getting the experience or getting more acquaintance with the behavior of the people with the different age groups. What would be the most appropriate way to make them more understandable with the things. So that how it works. But I hope you must be enjoying your journey.
Yeah, of course. I did a lot of conversations. It's been around 3 years. I started my journey in 2022 when I was back to my hometown due to COVID-19. And I started my YouTube after 1 year in 2021. So I'm running my YouTube. It's been 2 years. So I'm enjoying my journey, and it's wonderful meeting
Being
with
a
new people every
YouTuber,
day.
being a YouTuber, I'm curious to ask that question. What sort of problems do you face, and like pros and cons being a YouTuber?
On YouTube, what happens, like most of the time, we are based on our results. If we are not getting good views, we are becoming demotivated. So it is very important for you to be like self motivated always, and try to be consistent there without caring about your results, and try to make like good content for your audience. Try to improve yourself every day. That's what the reality is. And the good thing about YouTube, that a lot of people will give you the good feedback, so you'll feel motivated, because they will praise you, they will tell you that you are my
Doing well.
inspiration,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
that means a lot to me. But sometimes you will get critics also, you'll get negative comments also. So that goes parallel. When you will get the support, in the same point of time, the people, they will try to pull you down, and they will pull your legs, and that's very common. So when you get the negative feedback, you should work hard on yourself, and you should take positively. So these are the things with the YouTube. Consistency matters a lot, and it's difficult to maintain consistency on YouTube. That's what I understood.
So were you consistent right from the beginning of your journey? Were you consistent?
Yeah, I tried my level best, but sometimes I was on and off, and it happens because when you are busy with other personal things, then you are not able to
Hmm.
do well on your YouTube. But I'm trying my best to be consistent. So nowadays I'm uploading at least 2 videos in a week. So I try my best to do that, even though if I'm busy with another things.
What sort of videos do you post, like related to English grammar, such all?
No, I'm not into English technical stuff, very deep into grammar. I'm into
Hmm.
conversation. I would like to see myself as a good podcast host. So that's why I invite people to have conversation with them, and I joined others also just be as a guest. So that's what I do. So I'm posting this kind of conversations on my YouTube only. So those are really
Okay.
helpful for the beginners who would like to start their spoken English journey. By listening to this real and live and general conversation, they can learn a lot. That's what I feel.
Indeed, indeed. There are always points to learn something. Though, would you like to go with the topic or random chit chat? What rolling out in
We
your
can
head?
talk about the topic, no problem.
Okay. So, like, I don't know whether does it sound very much appropriate or not. May I ask your subscribers?
Yes, no problem. I say out loud that I have like 7,000 subscribers. It's totally appropriate.
Yeah, indeed, it is. It's a good number. I believe that then you might be on your growing phase. There might be lots of learners. They every now and then looking for the valuable content from your side. And I believe now you engaged with the learners. Now you are engaged.
Yes, of course, totally engaged. A lot of people they are texting me on WhatsApp. A lot of people they are sending me mails. So they would like to have a conversation with me. They are asking like, what about your journey? How have you like doing this kind of stuff, and how had you started? So a lot of questions they are asking. Even today also I did 2 sessions with learners from my YouTube channel who are my subscribers, and they are so good and they like to have a conversation with me, so I like that.
Wow, cool. Good luck for your journey. What are
Hmm.
the main environmental problems in your country? Like at your place, you are from Kanpur, right?
Yes, Kanpur
So,
is an industrial city. So the
mm-hmm,
problem is all about pollution. It's not there in Kanpur only, it's everywhere in this world, in our country. I feel a lot of cities are there, like which are struggling a lot due to pollution. So same here in
mm-hmm,
Kanpur, we don't have fresh air. And the second thing, garbage, it is one of the biggest problems. They don't have they're not having a right way to dispose garbage. So that's why it's dirty as well, which is becoming a cause for a lot of diseases of our city, of my city. So that's what I'll say. The problems, these are the problems: water pollution and air pollution and soil pollution and noise pollution as well. Nowadays, you can see a lot of vehicles, everybody has their own bike, car, so they are using it. So now and then, so it's a big problem. So yes, the same for my city goes. Like if I'll say about Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, every single city is suffering from such kind of issues. So like the same,
what
my city is also
about
suffering.
cleanliness? Like the government initiates taking the garbage door to door. I mean, are people there aware just in order to keep their city well and clean? Like, what about the awareness of the people?
Yeah, it depends on people. As you said, it right. It is not only the like responsibility of government to work on that. If I'll talk about my city, of course, door to door, they have that van for garbage or for trash. But then also people they are putting trash into like vacant plots, okay, vacant plots or just open land. They are not dumping that trash or into that van. I don't know why. So people they are throwing the garbage in front of their houses. You'll see a lot of things. Government, somewhat I can say that there is a lack in implementation from the government side as well, and the people are also not that much aware. They are busy with their profession. They don't care about this cleanliness or environment a lot. But directly and indirectly, it is impacting their health. It is impacting their career and life, but they are not able to understand because they are busy whole day, so they don't think about this kind of issues, what I feel.
Yeah, indeed. That's the problem with all around the nation. Actually, everyone is we are like, it is somehow, now we can say, nowadays we can say that, like, see, like throwing the garbage, we are throwing the garbage on this planet, and we have to live on this planet, so whether we are throwing like in river, or we are throwing on any like empty land or area, or any, like, we are harming ecosystem or the forests. So anyhow, this is the part of our home only. This planet is our home, we should consider in that way. Like, that must be the sort of instinct in every individual, that how much cleanliness we try to make our, like, our society, our surrounding, our home. Most probably we do make our things clean, whether there is a smartphone or there is a table, whatever, we clean it, so, but it doesn't make sense when they put the garbage outside, and that time they don't feel that, okay, who gonna care. So as you said, that indirectly, but indirectly they might be having the irony with the people. They love to make things clean, but there might be the irony with the people, that, okay, if I will do, so there would be the chances that he or she would do as well. Why would I waste my time, the time towards the money? So people are not living for the wealth, but like health, but they are living for the wealth.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. It depends. If I'll talk about Indore city, there the people are aware because it is the one of the cleanest cities in our country. So there, this mindset is there in the people's mind that if one is putting the, like, the wrapper into that like, like dustbin, so of course another person is doing so because government is strict. But here the totally opposite. But one person is throwing like, something out of their houses, so everybody is doing so.
Yeah, indeed. That's what I said, irony, by watching others, that if he does, so why not I? So that's sort of going on with the Indian. But okay, let it be. There is a law of karma, and I don't know whether you trust on it or not, but like, being an Indian, we do implore the nature. Nature is our god, right? We do worship the river, we
Yeah,
do
it
worship the
is.
plant, we do worship the trees. So at the same time, we need to take care of it as well. Okay, but with that note, do you have any question? Though our session is about to end.
Oh, thank you. I don't have any question. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, indeed. Even as far as the feedback is concerned, so you are really doing well. There might be some lack of the appropriate vocabularies. You might feel as well that would be the most significant if I use that phrase. But still, it's going on. Practice makes and like everyone perfect, as I said earlier as well. So keep practicing. Keep it with your sentence structure, the way you wanted to articulate the things. Everything is like, you got the confidence with fluency. I believe you got the confidence and fluency, though here and there just a step towards advanced English, so you are on that way. So keep learning, and good luck for your plans.
Okay, thank you so much, Manu. Thanks to you. It was really nice session with you. So thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.